Hi, my name is Heather. Welcome to Strings and Threads. Today I'm doing a video tutorial on a crochet stitch called the track stitch, and you can use any kind of yarn that you would like for this. You'll have to pardon me, I have a little bit of a cold. I'm so sorry if that's coming through on the tutorial. But I just recommend that whatever yarn you use it with, you use the hook that's recommended. I'm going to use this red heart and soul with aloe. This is so soft. It's a wonderful yarn. I'm not affiliated. I just really like it. So they recommend a 3.25 millimeter, which is what I'm using, which is a size D crochet hook, 3.25 millimeter. So to get started, you can do this in any multiples. So I'm just going to do 10. So chain 10. One, two, three, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then in the second chain from the hook, you're going to put a single crochet, and then you're going to put a single crochet in each stitch across. Okay, now we're going to turn, and we're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to put a double treble crochet in each stitch across. Excuse me, a double treble crochet. A single crochet you don't yarn over. For double crochet you yarn over once. For treble crochet you yarn over twice. For double treble crochet you yarn over 3. So then you would go into the stitch, and you're going to just go by 2s here. You're going to go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. So it's a very, very tall stitch. Again, we're going to yarn over 3 times, go into the next stitch, draw up a loop, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. And that's the double treble. I'll show you one more time, and then I'll pause it and we'll finish the row and come back. Double treble, double treble. Yarn over 3 times. Go into the stitch, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. All right, let's pause our video here, finish the row, and then come back. Okay, next thing we're going to do is turn, and then we're going to chain 1, and we're going to put 1 single crochet in each stitch across. I think I said this in the beginning, but just in case I forgot, you can use any amount of stitches with this. It doesn't have to be a certain odd or even or anything like that. We're actually going to do 3 rows total. This is 1 of the 3 of single crochet. And then we repeat the double treble crochet. And then we do 3 rows of single crochet. And then we do 1 row double treble crochet. Gives it a nice look. Okay, then we turn. Sorry, I had a little tangle there. This will be row 2 of the single crochet. So you chain 1, and then put a single crochet in each stitch across. And then there'll be one more row of single crochets. This is what the pattern is going to be. 3 rows of single crochets, 1 row of double treble, 3 rows of single crochets, 1 row of double treble. And I'll just start the double treble row with you just as a reminder, and then we'll pause, and I'm going to build up some rows just so that you can see how it looks when it's built up a little bit. Come back and show you. It's really a pretty simple stitch. It's called the track stitch, and it gives it a nice lacy fabric. Okay, so now the double treble, chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over 3 times, go into the first stitch, draw up a loop, yarn over, go through 2, 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 yarn over 3 times, go into the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. And then you finish the row that way. Then we'll do 3 more rows of single crochet, 1 more row of double treble, so on until it's the length that you want it to be. I'm going to add a few rows and then come back and show you how this fabric looks when it's a little bit bigger. All right, here's how it looks. It does curl a little bit, and I'm wondering if it's just because I did such a small swatch, but it's very pretty. I could see a lot of projects being made with this. If you make a project with this stitch or have made a project using this stitch, I'd love to hear what you made or what you're planning on making. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Have a great day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.